Chilean police have used water cannons against protesters in the capital Santiago as clashes broke out following a vigil in honor of the late Francisca Sandoval, a journalist. She died after being shot on the sidelines of a union demonstration organised to mark International Workers' Day on May the 1st. Some groups set up barricades and cut off traffic in the Plaza de Italia, the epicentre of the so-called social outbreak protest movement since 2019 in the heart of Santiago. Vigils have taken place in the capital with candles and photos of the journalist. During the scuffles on May the 1st, a group of street vendors came out to confront demonstrators with shots that hit 3 people, but it was Sandoval who got the worst of it.